ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Motorcycle Unboxing. On today's episode, we got a portable pump from a company called AstroAI, or AstroAI. And people who've been following my channel for a while may remember this thing that I've reviewed from the same brand. And this thing right here is a magical pump and a jump starter. So it's 2-in-1 unit, so you can literally pump up your tires and also jump start your car or bike. So this is super handy. That's why I have very high expectations, and I've actually used this a few times and it did save the day. So I have big expectations for this pump right here. So AstroAI is a brand that's been around for a long time. There's a lot of startup brands that sell a lot of pumps, but these guys have actually been doing it for a long time and have millions of customers. They are based in California and China, and they're so kindly sent me this unit to review and preview and unbox and check it out and share with you guys. And as always, if you'd like to purchase it, the links are below. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. This thing is called AI Run L4, and it just came out a few weeks ago. So it's a brand new pump, brand new design for the company. All right, so we open it up, we unbox it. Right away, we are greeted with a little user manual. And it's always interesting to me to see user manuals for these products just because it seems to be so self-explanatory. And then we got a little thank you card. Adorable. So let's set this aside. Here we got the party piece, the main product. Boom, boom. And over here, what do we got here? Okay. All right. So we got a pouch and we got a hose. Beautiful. And I always love when there are a quick disconnect hose like this. So, because screwing it on, you always lose a little bit of pressure. But this right here, nice. And all the pumps I've been reviewing and unboxing recently have this little rubber thing on the top. Interesting. Okay, so now we also have the cable and we have a couple of attachments. So let's see, look at the box. The box is pretty straightforward. Beautiful. Let's set that aside. So we got this nice pouch with a drawstring. One thing I always wished that some pumps do, some pumps don't. They have an extra pocket here in the pouch, so the way I can store this and a cable in here, because otherwise this stuff, which is like for a beach ball, bicycles and basketball, and then like a neck pillow or something, and a charging cable, it always just bounces at the bottom of the bag, which is not ideal. Okay, so let's set this aside and let's open up the party piece. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's first of all peel off the plastic. It's always exciting. Boop. And now let's take a sip of coffee. And now let's turn it on and see how much charge we got. Beautiful. So the battery is fully charged, and I guess this is how you change the function. See, bicycle, ball, whatever. Then we can also turn on the lights. Very nice. There's different modes of lights. You can also change the pressure values, because I use PSI, there's bar, there's KPA, there's kilograms per centimeter, but PSI is the one I do, pounds per square inch. So, ooh. All right, and another beautiful feature of this pump is that it's extra fast and extra quick. They're advertising speeds that are much faster than any other pump, and perhaps that's why it sounds a little bit more aggressive. It sounds a little bit faster, even like the way the motor spins up. Also, this has 6,600 milliamp hours, so it's good enough to pump a dozen tires, maybe more. I don't even know. It's plenty of tires. We got a nice compact design. It sits well. It feels good in your hand. It's, I believe it's made out of plastic. Yep. And then we got a big display, so you know exactly what's going on. You can also charge your devices from this. So you can charge your phone or whatever. And this is a charging port to charge the actual pump. And then this right here, you just screw that on until it's nice and tight. I'm guessing this rubber sleeve here is for extra grip, and then you just go and Bob is your uncle. This is beautiful. Okay, so let's not waste any more time. Let's go down to the bike and see how this baby functions. Well, all right, we are now here at my bike and we're gonna see how this pump functions in the real world. Here we go. Let's pull this baby out of its silver pouch, and then we're gonna need our quick release nozzle. So we just bolt this on, just like that, screw this in. Boop. Beautiful. All right, and I'm going to turn it on by holding the middle button. Boom. And then we're gonna get up to 40 PSI just by clicking this, just like so. It doesn't matter what mode you really use as long as the PSI is correct. So now we're gonna clip this on over here, just like so. Boop. So I'm down to 32 PSI. Let's and just like that, we are all set. Now we just take it off. Boop. All good. Obviously not the fastest pump in the world, but very efficient. And for size, it's perfect. And like I always say, like these pumps make for great gifts because there's a good chance that motorcycle that you love or somebody, one of your friends, does not have a pump and they still go to gas stations or borrow yours. So this makes for a great gift. You get yours in a link below. And yeah, great little thing. Quick charging, like I said, 6,600 milliamp hours. You can refill a dozen plus motorcycle tires, maybe more. And yeah, my favorite thing is the small form function and this right here, like a little quick release. So the way you don't have to screw it on, because you can always lose a few PSI when you screw on and off the other kind of nozzle. Anyway, thank you for watching. Get your pump in the link below.